Hi guys, this is Info channel, and today I will show you how to fix the problem when your Google Play Store stuck on padding on your OUKITEL WP20. Our first step to fix this problem, we must cancel it and go back to the main menu of our OUKITEL, where we have settings option. In it, we scroll down to the system and now date and time, where we must change our first option to set time automatically and use network provided time. We press it and we can go back to our Google Play Store and try install it. When it isn't working, we can restart our Google Play Store, but it's work right now. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.